Mathematics is often called the universal language. It's the foundation of countless fields. From science and technology to finance and engineering, math plays a crucial role. Understanding math empowers you to solve problems, think critically, and make informed decisions. Whether you're aiming to be a scientist, an engineer, or simply want to manage your finances better, math is essential. Learning math is like building a house. You start with a strong foundation and gradually add more complex structures. This guide will take you through the journey of mastering math, from basic arithmetic to advanced concepts. Don't worry if you've struggled with math in the past. Everyone can learn and excel at math with the right approach. Every math concept, no matter how complex, relies on basic arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the fundamental building blocks of math. Spend time practicing these operations until you can perform them accurately and efficiently. Addition is the concept of combining quantities. Subtraction is the inverse, finding the difference between quantities. Multiplication is repeated addition, a shortcut for adding the same number multiple times. Division, the inverse of multiplication, involves splitting a quantity into equal parts. Mastering these basic operations is crucial before moving on to more advanced topics. Practice with flashcards, worksheets, or online games to solidify your understanding. Once you have a strong grasp of these fundamentals, you'll be well equipped to tackle more challenging math concepts. As we progress in math, we encounter numbers in different forms: fractions, decimals, and percentages. These representations are interconnected and essential for various real-life applications. Fractions represent parts of a whole. The top number, the numerator, denotes the part, while the bottom number, the denominator, represents the whole. Decimals, with their base 10 system, provide another way to represent parts of a whole. Percentages, meaning out of 100, express parts of a whole as fractions of 100. Understanding how to convert between fractions, decimals, and percentages is crucial for solving various math problems. It's like learning different languages, but for numbers. Practice converting between these forms to enhance your understanding and flexibility in working with numbers. Section 4. Stepping into advanced territory: algebra, geometry, and calculus. With a solid grasp of basic arithmetic, fractions, decimals, and percentages, you're ready to delve into more abstract and powerful mathematical concepts: algebra, geometry, and calculus. Algebra introduces the concept of variables, represented by letters, standing in for unknown quantities. It involves manipulating equations to solve for these unknowns. Geometry explores shapes, sizes, and their properties, from basic two-dimensional shapes to complex three-dimensional objects. Calculus, a more advanced branch of mathematics, deals with continuous change and motion. It explores concepts like rates of change, accumulation, and finding areas under curves. Calculus has numerous applications in physics, engineering, economics, and other fields. Section 5. Tips and strategies for effective math learning. Learning math effectively requires more than just memorizing formulas. Here are some tips to enhance your math learning journey. 1. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key. Solve problems regularly to reinforce your understanding. 2. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask your teacher, a tutor, or classmates for help. 3. Break down complex problems. Divide complicated problems into smaller, manageable steps. 4. Focus on understanding concepts. Don't just memorize formulas. Strive to understand the underlying concepts. 5. Make connections to real life. Relate math concepts to real-world situations to make them more relevant and easier to grasp. And 6. Stay positive and persistent. Math can be challenging, but don't get discouraged. Persistence is key to success. Section 6. Resources for your math journey.